Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Google Pixel 9a. Alright, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. So let's open up our app. In here select your language, then click on agree and continue. And now in this bar you need to type your phone number. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Simply type your phone number and then click on next. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, in here click on continue. Now click on allow, and allow all. And now as you can see we had looking for backups, and now we have option to restore our chats. As you can see I made my backup 10 minutes ago. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, below we also have the size of it and the account on which we made that backup. Also, it is crucial that we need to be logged in on our phone into the same Google account on which we made the backup, because otherwise there is a possibility that we won't be able to restore our chats. Alright, and if you want to restore your chats, you need to do it now. You can also see the information on the screen that it won't be possible in the future. Okay, so now simply click on restore. Now the process will start. So let's wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, you can see that 16 messages has been restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on next. In here you can type your profile name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now as you can see we have our chats and all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully transferred and restored. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.